Welcome to Saad Edu Care. We are starting episode 5 of Unit 1 Numbers to 1000 exercise 1.2 and we are trying to follow Cambridge Learner's Book 3. Let's start. Last video we already see about order number smallest to greatest, greatest to smallest, and also little bit discuss about number line. This video we also start estimate the value of number marked on the number line. So let's see, this is 0 and here is 1000. Between this number, like we have to find out the value of this blank box, which is 100 and 200 in between. So let's think 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 200. So we can say this is 80. Okay, this is 80. And similar 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 400. So let's think this is what? 330. Okay, and similar it's looking middle portion, so this is 850 in middle, so 850. It's not so hard, but estimate is a sensible guess. Like here is 10 and here is 20. So in here, if anybody say what is the number, it's looking 15, but estimate guess it doesn't mean it's 18. Okay, 18 should be in here. Little bit right and left is normal thing, but this is near about 15. So here is already mentioned. Remember that estimate means a sensible guess. Now inequalities. So complete these inequalities. So how we complete this one? Look, one trick. Once you see this sign and this sign, here always bigger number and here is lower. Similar in the open space, bigger and here lower, like 5 and 6, 6 should be bigger. Similar 6, 5, 6 should be bigger. Now we have to complete this inequalities. 263 here is mentioned, it's a right option, right position or open site, open site, open site. So we can say here is like 163. Okay, so 163 is a less than 263, or we can say 263 is larger than 163. Similar here is 671, but open space has nothing. We can write in here like 675. Okay, 675 is greater than 671. Similar we can write in here 500, right? 500 is greater than 457. Similar, this one we can write 300. So 346 is greater than 300. This is just estimate, but you have to careful about this sign and this sign. Okay, now think like a mathematician. Use these numbers and symbols to make 3 correct statement. Here is something 234, 243, 243, 278, 278, 287, and we will use these 3 symbols. Like and we have to make how many correct statement? Find out a different way to do, and here also some clue. First, it's easier to use the equal sign and to numbers that are same. So we have to find out 3 correct statement. Number 1, first equal thing, 243, 243. So this one we can write 243 equals to 243. So this one and this one done. Again 278, 278. This is the statement 2. 278 equals to 278. Okay. Now here is 234 and here is 287 remaining. Number 3 statement 234 is less than 287, or we also can write 287 is greater than 234. Okay. So in question want 3 answer or 3 statement, and we also include another one. Okay. So lots of way we can solve this one. So this is the thing, discuss with your classmate, is it similar with them or not. So no more today. By this video we are complete exercise 1.2 of unit 1. So exercise 1.2 done. You will get all videos in the description box. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friend and relatives. Thank you.